this edition of Double J's Classic Review, we are taking a look at Joe Benedict's 2009 Challenger RT. Joe, do you want to tell us a little bit about your car?
Sure, I got it, a year and a half ago. I kept seeing it in the newspaper on the ad, and I said, I'm gonna run up and look at that. And then I ran up and drove it, and he's like, well, do you want to go inside and see if we can do something? I'm like, yeah, I guess. But I always wanted one since they came out, the newer Challengers. Well, you know, I'd take an early 70s one too, but 09, super low miles. It's got 17,000 miles on it, so whatever that is a year. But the story was the guy bought it, he'd trailer it out to Arizona over the winter and drive it around out there and just have it pretty much parked the rest of the time. Got the 5.7 Hemi, 6-speed in it. So that's not too bad, the smaller Hemi, but you know, gotta get that gas mileage in there, I guess. I don't know.
That's always important today, Joe.
I can get the hood open. Yeah, pretty clean under there. Haven't really done anything cleaning wise under here since I got it, so it stays pretty clean. Power steering's messed up a little bit on it. Probably get that fixed before too long, because it's all right when you first start out, but when it gets warm, it starts like squeaking and stuff, and hard to turn. So I'm not sure what that's about, but it's only money. I'll get it fixed. Other than that, pretty good shape. Nice cruiser that I can just hop in and drive around. Pretty basic on the inside. It doesn't have leather or anything, which is fine. It does have a sunroof, but I've never opened it and don't really plan on it. So who knows what the seals are like. As far as work doing to it, I don't think I'm going to really touch it, you know.
Yeah, leave her all factory?
Yeah, leave it factory and original, because, you know, it's only original once, I guess.
Cool.
Anything else?
Want to take her for a little spin?
Yeah, we'll take her for a spin around here. It doesn't have the push button, but turn that off so you don't get a whatever it is, copyright strike.
Yeah, they can take it all. I've had too much for too long anyway.
Well, if you heard that little whine from the steering pump there. The good thing about that is the manual steering pumps cost 3 times as much as the ones for automatics. But everything works, air works. That's nice. Like I said, just something I can jump in and cruise around. Of course, it does take money away from the Impala build, as Jeff likes to tell me.
I point that out on a regular basis. Now, are we going to try to make it through this week's Double J's Classic Review without being pulled over, Joe?
Yeah, probably should. I'll take her easy. Won't do any burnouts or anything. Hopefully won't run any stop signs.
Yeah, the cops really seem to frown on that.
Yeah, from experience. Found that out.
She's got a nice sound to her.
Yeah, that's maybe the only thing I would do. Maybe it does sound pretty good, but get a little better sound if I did like a cat back exhaust on it. Maybe. When it needs it. Burn up my clutch. Oh well.
How many miles does this car have, Joe?
17,622.
Very low mile car.
But yeah, the guy must have not drove it at all. And, this is like the 5th time this year I've had it out of the garage, so Just trying to preserve it, I guess. If anybody has any secrets about keeping mice out of it over the winter, put that down in the comments.
It's definitely some needed information.
Especially since my garage door broke. There's a big gap at the bottom of it. I could fix that, but I got this car to pay for.
The next Double J Classic review.
The thing doesn't jump. He's looking like he's considering it.
It's a sad day when a dog's life's that bad.
I know.
Actually has a pretty comfortable ride to it, Joe.
It's not too bad. Not as smooth as my Charger.
Seems to navigate the Keokuk potholes pretty well.
Yeah. There's the rocket slide that everybody was pissed about them putting over here.
What show did that thing make it on?
American Restorers or something like that.
Yeah, so if you watch that show, that slide will look familiar to you. It's a little plug for my YouTube channel to them.
There you go.
Yeah, from the way this car grabs the smoother pavement, this car would be a great handling car at high speeds, I would guess.
Yeah, well, if the cops try to pull us over today, we'll find out.
Sweet.
Total joke. I would never run from the cops.
Or would he? And just so that I can see how a stomach pump system works, I might actually tell the cops you swallowed some drugs or something. Though, 'cause I'd like to get some video on that.
I think they were roadside on that.
I'd like to do 4 or 5 episodes before we had to cancel it. Then I'd have to start taking you to work.
Come to a complete stop here.
We don't want a sequel.
Lots of people enjoying the river.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. Might be one of the last ones of the year. next video, we could be trying the Harbor Freight dent puller on your Challenger.
Sure, it'll work great.
Definitely like the tone of your exhaust when you step into her a little bit.
This guy used to have a 62 convertible in his garage. I don't know if it's still in there. Gets stolen tonight because of the video.
Thanks, Joe. the way that always goes. Never seen a car on this road in my life. Well, folks, there you have it. That's Joe Benedict's 2009 Challenger RT. Thanks for showing us your car, Joe, and taking us for a ride in it. Really nice car.
Yep, no problem. Happy to show it off.
Folks, if you'd like to have a car you'd like to have on Double J's Classic Review, comment in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to do a video on your vehicle. And as always, like and subscribe. Thank you.